Wakoli David Wafula is a Kenyan politician, public administrator, and social advocate best known for his rise to the national stage as the Member of Parliament for Bumula Constituency in Bungoma County. His career reflects a blend of grassroots experience, strong community engagement, and a commitment to uplifting rural populations through education, health, and infrastructure improvement. Over the years, David Wakoli has built a reputation as a grounded leader whose political journey is firmly rooted in service, resilience, and advocacy for the underprivileged. Wakoli David Wafula was born and raised in Bumula, a constituency in Bungoma County known for its agricultural traditions, vibrant rural communities, and deep political history. Growing up in a modest household, he experienced firsthand the socio-economic challenges faced by many rural families: limited access to quality education, poor infrastructure, and inadequate public services. These early experiences would later profoundly shape his political philosophy and his desire to pursue community-centered leadership. Wakoli's upbringing emphasized hard work, honesty, and commitment to communal responsibility. Raised in a family that valued education and Christian principles, he developed strong moral grounding and social awareness at a young age. His childhood interactions with local elders and community leaders exposed him to the importance of civic participation and the power of grassroots organization. David Wakoli received his primary and secondary education in institutions within Bungoma County. Known for his discipline and curiosity, he excelled academically and took part in various school leadership activities. His interest in community welfare often saw him participate in youth groups, student associations, and church-based activities. For his higher education, Wakoli pursued studies in areas related to administration, leadership, and public service, equipping him with the skills and knowledge needed to navigate both the public and political arenas. His educational journey further strengthened his passion for governance and public policy, laying the foundation for his future career. Before joining national politics, Wakoli David Wafula built a strong record of grassroots mobilization and community service. He worked closely with local farmers, youth organizations, education advocacy groups, and civil society initiatives. His early career involved supporting local development projects such as road rehabilitation, market improvement, and rural electrification, championing education, particularly motivating parents to keep children, especially girls, in school, working with youth associations to promote empowerment programs, sports activities, and economic opportunities, engaging churches and community groups to address issues such as poverty, alcoholism, and early marriages. Through these activities, Wakoli became widely known as a young, energetic leader capable of mobilizing people and advocating for community rights. His reputation as a principled and relatable figure positioned him as a natural candidate for elective office. Wakoli's entry into competitive politics was driven by a desire to influence policy and address persistent challenges in Bumula. He began by engaging in local political structures, participating actively in county-level discussions, party mobilization, and development forums. His boldness, clarity of speech, and commitment to ordinary citizens earned him recognition among political leaders and party structures. He later contested for the Bumula parliamentary seat, presenting a platform anchored on better roads and infrastructure, improved access to education and bursaries, youth empowerment and job creation, strengthening healthcare facilities, agricultural support for local farmers. His message resonated with many, especially the youth and marginalized groups who saw in him a leader capable of championing their needs. Upon being elected as the Member of Parliament for Bumula, Wakoli David Wafula quickly established himself as a vocal and active legislator. In Parliament, he became known for Wakoli consistently spoke out on matters relating to rural infrastructure, including feeder roads, the electricity expansion, and water access. He pushed for increased allocation of resources to constituencies that had historically been neglected. He strengthened bursary allocations for needy students, championed school renovation projects, and supported teachers in improving learning environments. Wakoli prioritized programs that created job opportunities for young people through training, entrepreneurship funds, sports development, and talent support initiatives. He advocated for more medical staff, better equipment, and upgraded facilities in local dispensaries and health centers to reduce preventable deaths. Known for his straightforward nature, Wakoli has spoken out against corruption and misuse of public funds, calling for integrity in government operations. Wakoli David Wafula is often described as charismatic and approachable, maintaining strong ties with local communities, firm and outspoken, never shying away from addressing controversial issues, youthful and energetic, actively participating in grassroots engagements. Development-oriented, with a clear focus on tangible solutions. His approachable style has made him popular among young people, while his consistency and grounded approach have earned him respect among elders. Over time, Wakoli has worked with various political leaders and parties. While remaining loyal to his political base in Bumula, he has shown ability to collaborate across party lines when addressing matters that benefit his constituents. His growing influence within Bungoma politics has positioned him among the next generation of leaders shaping political direction in the western region. Many see him as part of the emerging class of young, dynamic politicians redefining Kenya's political landscape. David Wakoli is a family-oriented man who maintains strong ties to his cultural roots. He participates in community events, church activities, then local ceremonies. Despite his political responsibilities, he continues to maintain a visible presence in Bumula, emphasizing his commitment to staying connected with the people he represents. Though still in the active stages of his political career, Wakoli David Wafula has already established a legacy characterized by grassroots leadership, community empowerment, dedication to development, a strong voice in parliament, promotion of integrity and accountability. For many in Bungoma County and beyond, he represents hope for a new generation of leaders driven not by political privilege but by service and transformation. Wakoli David Wafula's journey from humble beginnings in Bumula to national leadership is a powerful story of determination, passion for service, and resilience. His biography reflects the realities faced by many Kenyans, and the possibility of change when committed individuals step forward to lead. As he continues to shape both local and national debates, Wakoli remains a symbol of progress, youthful leadership, and community-centered governance in Kenya. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.